In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your organization in Goodday. Before we begin, a quick reminder. Deleting an organization is a permanent action. It can affect all the projects, tasks, and data linked to that workspace, as well as other people who might be part of it. So make sure you really intend to remove the organization, and if needed, back up any important information beforehand. Let's start from your main Goodday workspace. On the lower left side of your screen, you'll see your profile area. This usually shows your avatar or initials. Move your mouse down to that profile icon and click it. This opens a small menu with options related to your account and the spaces you manage. From that menu, look for the option labeled Organization Settings. This is where you can control everything related to the organization itself, not just your personal preferences. Go ahead and click on Organization Settings. The screen will change and you'll be taken to a broader settings area. Once you're in the settings, locate and click on Organization Account. This section is focused specifically on the core details and management of the organization as a whole, including things like plans, billing, and administrative controls. It's the place you need to be in order to access the tools that allow you to remove the organization. Inside the Organization Account area, find the option called Account Administration. Click on Account Administration to open it. This is where the more advanced and sensitive settings are usually stored, including actions that affect the entire organization. Because of that, you might see warnings or be asked to confirm certain changes. Within the Account Administration section, look for the option labeled Delete Organization. It may be placed near the bottom or highlighted as a critical action. When you're ready and absolutely sure about your decision, click on Delete Organization. At this point, Goodday may prompt you to confirm your choice, possibly by typing the organization name or clicking a confirmation button. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully. Once you complete that confirmation, your organization will be scheduled for deletion and access to it will be removed according to Goodday's policies. That's it. You've now seen the exact path to delete your organization in Goodday. Starting from your profile icon, moving into Organization Settings, then Organization Account, into Account Administration, and finally